I'm Anil Kumar, and as per the request of my students, I have taken this question from question number 11, page 479, Nelson, Advanced Functions. We need to evaluate the following expressions. So the expressions are log to the base half of 72 minus log to the base half of 9. That's the first one, right? The next one here is log to the base 3 of 9 square root of 27. And then we have log to the base 4 of cube root of 16. So I'd like you to pause the video, try them, and then check with my answer. In the first one, we can apply the quotient law, and we can write this as equals to log to the base half of 72 divided by 9, right? Which is indeed equals to log to the base half of 8, right? Now, how can you write 8 as a power of half? That is what the real question is. 8 is 2 cube, right? So we could write this as log to the base half of 8 is 2 cube. How can you write 8 as power of half? That is what you have to think, correct? So you could actually do 2 to the power of minus x, right? So we could write this as half to the power of minus 3. That is the key to this. So whenever you have the base and you need to evaluate, that really means you have to ask this question. Half to the power of what is 8? When you say half to the power of what is 8, you know 2 to the power of 3 is 8, so half to the power of minus 3. So minus 3 is your answer, right? So that is key to this question. So go through this video and understand what I'm trying to say here is the basic question which you should be asking is half to the power of what is 8, and then you get your solution, okay? So first apply the quotient law, simplify, and then evaluate. This one. Now the same thing. So what we have to do is we have to ask a very simple question, and that is 3 to the power of what is 9, 3 to the power of what is 27. This is what you have to ask, right? So 9 we know is 3 square, and 27 we know is 3 cube. So square root will be cube over 2, correct? Now we could write this as log to the base 3 of, now we can add them up, because 3 to the power of 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 over 2. And that gives us the answer, which is 7 over 2, right? Log to the base 3 of 3 is 1. Applying the power rule, we get 7 times log to the base 3 of 3. Actually, I should have written that step in between, and then this answer, right? So let me write now. I will say log 3 of 3, correct? And then we know log 3 of 3 is 1, so the answer is 7 over 2. Now this one, I think now you can do it. It should be written first as 16 as a power of 4, right? Since 4 is the base. So you know 4 square is 16, and then cube root, correct? So the answer is 2 over 3 log to the 4 of 4, correct? Now we know log to the base 4 of 4 is 1, so we get 2 over 3 as our solution, correct? So that is how these expressions can be evaluated. I hope that helps. You can follow the link and do some more practice questions so that you are well prepared for your test. Thank you and all the best.